Standard labor units exist for modular wiring systems. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, also known as the IBU, has developed a set of labor units for electrical work which includes modular wiring systems. These labor units are based on the average time it takes a qualified electrician to complete a particular task. The labor units for modular wiring systems are as follows. Firstly, a starter cable has 0.5 labor units. Secondly, an extender has 0.25 labor units. Thirdly, a T has 0.25 labor units. Fourthly, an elbow has 0.25 labor units. Fifthly, a cross has 0.5 labor units. Sixthly, an outlet box has 0.5 labor units. Seventhly, a faceplate has 0.25 labor units. To use these labor units, you simply multiply the number of units of each type of component by the corresponding labor unit. For example, if you are installing 10 starter cables, 20 extenders, and 15 Ts, the total labor units would be calculated as follows. Firstly, starter cables are 10 multiplied by 0.5, which equals 5 labor units. Secondly, extenders are 20 multiplied by 0.25, which equals 5 labor units. Thirdly, Ts are 15 multiplied by 0.25, which equals 3.75 labor units. The total labor units equal 13.75 labor units. It is important to note that these labor units are just a guide, and the actual time it takes to complete a particular task may vary depending on the specific circumstances. For example, if the job is particularly complex or if the electrician is not experienced with modular wiring systems, the actual time it takes to complete the job may be longer than the estimated labor units.